feels like 104. I'm on to something. Good morning, y'all. So, made my way to a little pond here. I'm gonna just try to fish it from the bank. It's hot today. It is already about 90 degrees. We're looking at heat indexes of about 105, so I have no idea how long I'm gonna stay out. Probably not very long. But it's a spot I've never fished. It's a city pond, no boating access or anything like that, so we might be able to have some luck. We'll see. Get out there and see what we can make happen. Stay tuned. All right, well, I've got a little crankbait tied on and this Weston swim. We'll see if I can have any luck down here. Looks like a nice enough place. Oop, just scared a turtle off. Right through the tree. I ain't getting that back. No way in hell. Holy crap. I can't believe I got that back. Can't believe that at all, really. Chuck it over that tree. Was able to get it back. Walked over to the other side of the lake. See, actually have some shade along the shoreline here. Maybe, just maybe, this will be better. Got one. There we go. There we go. Don't spit it. That looks like a decent sized fish. Oh, that is a great fish. Oh, wow. That's a great fish. It's hooked deep. All right, that took entirely too long to get him off of there, but I get a picture of him. And he's off. Oh, maybe not. There we go. Not bad. First fish I've ever caught on this Weston swim. Say the hooks are sticky at very least. He didn't hit hard at all. It was just, I thought I was snagged for a second. He was just there. I think he hit kind of right up on the shadow line here. Oh, I had one right there. If you're walking around the park on your phone, you should probably talk quiet enough so that the entire park can't hear your conversation, but hey, that's none of my business, I guess, right? Yeah, I think it might be time to get a move on from this spot, but Give her one more chuck out there. All right, we're gonna move down. Short little move down the way a little bit. Oop. Bunch of gills right there, right in front of me. Chasing my line around. Let's get a temperature check here. Can you guys see that? 90, feels like 104. It's just after noon, 12:16. Considering how hot it is, I'm honestly surprised I got something to hit on that on this swim bait, but holy crap, that's a huge spider. You guys seeing that? I have no idea what that is, but it's big. That's really big. Look at that, guys. There we go. We're on. Come on, come on. How did I snag it? I snagged a kitty. Look at that. Right in the butt. Huh. It's not something I expected to do. Well, just a tiny little catfish, guys. But, we snagged him, so I guess I can't say it's all cool, but hey, 2 fish, 105 degrees. 105 degree heat index anyways. I'm not complaining. I don't know if he would have swiped at it or if I just hooked him on the back. He's probably way too small to try to eat something like that. Well, that's it for the first pond. We're gonna make a move. I'm gonna start heading home, and there's a spot fairly close to my house that I'm gonna try to hit that I've never fished it. I've launched a kayak out of there, but that's been it. So stay tuned for that. Ooh, the screen's all dirty. All right, y'all, well, made a bit of a move. This is a public area. It's pretty trashy, but all I brought down here with me was the spinning combo. I've got a little jig head on there, and I've got some worms. So I'm gonna cast around a little bit. This is a creek here, and then there's another little arm that comes off of it. So I'm gonna cast around, see if I can find anything down here before I get get back home. So stay tuned. What is that? You guys see that? I'm onto something. Oh, that was a gar. Holy crap. That was a gar right there. Oh, there's something going up right here. I left my worms up there. People just leave crap. Man. It is trashy down here, but also this was just flooded out really bad. So that also has something to do with it. I don't know how far out here I can walk before I, yep, not very far. I can't believe that. And I flung my worm off already. Well, that is incredibly bogus. I'm gonna walk back up and see if I can get a little bit different access points. Man, it's a big gar. Yeah, I mean, you can see this was all underwater at one point. All of this was. Just this spring. Oh yeah, there's a nice little creek back here. It's tiny, but I bet there's something in there. For now, I'm just gonna stand right about here. Oop. Break my rod or probably knock my worm off. I did. Knocked my worm off. Go ahead and throw a full. Put a fully on there just because why not? And I can't get away from trains. I'm not anywhere near the other spots where I usually go that have trains, so yeah. There's just a lot of trains around here, I guess. It's hot. Oop, I see a fish right there in front of me. Right there. There we go. Got something. Finally. Wild bluegill. Little bug-eyed guy. Oh, it's a tree behind me. I'm like, what's on my back of my head? Well, it's got some good color to him. Not a bad fish. Little creek fish. Alright, I'm actually gonna start making my way back out. It is so hot back here. No wind. No breeze at all. I'm just dripping sweat. I'm absolutely soaked. Well, can't tell. I could probably win a wet t-shirt contest right now. that's it for the day. Got that one bass and snagged that little catfish at that Omaha pond, and then came out here to this place, and I don't know if that gar ate it and spit it or what. I'll have to look at the footage, but anyways, hopefully the weather cools down here. We're supposed to get a storm tonight, and then I think it's supposed to be back into the 70s, mid 70s, instead of a 108-degree temps out here. So that's it for me. I appreciate you guys watching. If you thought it was cool, give it a like. If you're not subscribed, hit that button. There's no reason not to. So I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for the next one.